Hello everyone, Anand here again. I have two questions to ask you. One, do you play with your strengths to lead your life situations, be it a family life or a profession, at work, society, everywhere? Or do you play with your limitations or weaknesses to handle such situations? In case if you find quite a lot of failure rate in handling life situations, perhaps to my mind or my observation, I conclude by saying probably you would have tried with a lot of your limitations or weaknesses to handle the situations of life. Imagine if you start playing your life, playing the situations with your strengths, perhaps the success rate would change dramatically. So how do we know that are we playing with our strengths or are we playing with our limitations? Of course, all of us know if you take the list of failures that you have encountered in your situations and you will actually map it with your the way in which you handle those situations of life, and probably there must be a pattern in which you operate. And once you know that this is the pattern which I follow, and perhaps I followed quite a lot of limitations of mine or weakness of mine, and that actually led me to this situation, which is the failure rate analysis. Now we need to turn the table to our favor. So how do we do that? First of all, we must know what are our strengths, as we always say, and list out and then start strengthening our strengths. Generally, some years ago or decades ago, people used to say that you first identify your limitation and then correct your limitation and then change it and then move towards the strengths and successes. But I think it'll kill a lot of time of ours the moment you start building your limitations to become positive or to become strength. It takes quite a lot of time, and also it leads to frustration and irritability and things like that. Instead, let me play with my strengths. This is what I am, and I am good in this, and let me just build that into multifold, so that my success rate or my happiness, end of the day, it's all about finally your happiness that decides your quality of life. So looking at the strengthening of our strengths, there is a famous approach which all of us probably aware, which is KSA. Either I would be having quite a lot of knowledge on a particular domain or a particular function, or I will be having a lot of skills, which is a practical skills, vocational skills. I'll be able to handle it effectively, or I will be having great attitude to handle the situations. I repeat again, it's called knowledge, skill, attitude. Either I will be having thorough knowledge on the subject, deeper knowledge on the subject, so I go length and breadth of that, vertically, horizontally, and deep dive, be able to handle with my knowledge as my core forte, or I'll be having skills. Perhaps I will not be able to articulate it better, but I have excellent skills to apply, or I might be having a great attitude to compensate my lacking, which is knowledge and skill. End of the day, in any situations at work or office or family or everywhere, either you have to play with your attitude. First of all, attitude is common, people say. Even though you may have great skills and great knowledge, if you have good attitude, definitely you will score well. But having said that, I lack a little bit on attitude aspect, but I have great skill. People respect it also. In an organization where you continuously demonstrate your skill, the boss definitely will be happy, because he or she may even say at the back, maybe the attitude is poor, but he or she does quite well. When the job is given, she or he will do quite well. That kind of feedback normally arises. So ultimately, if you spot your knowledge or your skill or your attitude, whichever is scoring better than the rest of the two, I think that's where I think you need to build your strength and increase the momentum and use that for your advantage in terms of handling your life situations everywhere. I think this would be of great help. Um, Try it out and see how whether it's really producing result to you as expected, and I'm sure this is going to increase your success rate and remove the failure rate progressively. Thank you very much for your passion listening, and if you like it, you kindly share it with your friends and families, and especially the youngsters. It would be of some support to them to shape up their career. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.